Tune. AI car tuning is a brand new software that's already shaking up the car tuning world. But before you dive in, there are a few crucial things you need to know to make the most of it. Stay tuned because I'm about to cover 7 key points that will help you understand how Tune, AI car tuning works and why it might be a game changer for car enthusiasts. Right off the bat, you can try Tune, AI car tuning for completely free. Check out the first link below to get started. But make sure to stick around because I'm going to break down why this software is quickly becoming the go-to choice for car tuning and how it can take your vehicle's performance to the next level. First things first, Tune. AI car tuning leverages artificial intelligence to make tuning your car easier and more efficient than ever. It takes the guesswork out of the equation by analyzing your vehicle's specs, the type of driving you do, and then automatically adjusting performance parameters like fuel efficiency, power output, and torque. The result is a more optimized ride without you having to fiddle with manual settings or consult expensive professionals. One of the most impressive features of Tune, AI car tuning, is its ease of use. If you've ever tried car tuning software before, you know it can be intimidating with all the jargon and technical details. But with Tune, you don't need to be an expert to get started. The AI makes decisions based on your vehicle's unique data and even learns from your driving habits over time, offering you a personalized experience that adapts as you go. Another thing to know is that Tune, AI car tuning works with a wide range of vehicles. Whether you're driving a classic muscle car or a modern sports sedan, this AI software has the flexibility to tune most vehicles to peak performance. It's designed to cater to different car types, and it continuously updates to keep up with new models and technologies, so you'll never be left behind. Now let's talk about real-time tuning. This is one of the standout features. You no longer need to wait for an external tune-up. Tune. AI car tuning provides you with on-the-fly adjustments, meaning your car's performance can be modified as you drive based on conditions like weather, terrain, and driving style. It's a huge improvement over traditional methods that require manual recalibration. For those concerned about security, rest easy. The software uses robust encryption to ensure your car's data is safe while tuning. You won't have to worry about third-party access or unauthorized changes, which is a big deal when you're working with your car's sensitive data. Plus, it's all done remotely, so there's no need for a physical connection to a tuning shop. You might be wondering about the cost, and I've got great news. Tune. AI car tuning is incredibly affordable compared to traditional tuning services. No more paying hundreds of dollars to a mechanic for a manual tune-up. With Tune's subscription-based model, you can access top-tier car tuning features for a fraction of the cost. Lastly, Tune. AI car tuning is constantly evolving. The developers regularly roll out updates to improve the software, adding new features and refining existing ones. This means that as AI technology advances, your car's performance will only continue to improve with time, making it a long-term investment in your vehicle's optimization. To sum it up, Tune, AI car tuning is a powerful, user-friendly software that brings AI-driven performance tuning right to your fingertips. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone just looking to optimize your ride, this software is an exciting option that could save you time, money, and effort. I've tried hundreds of AI tools, and after testing them, I've put together a list of my top AI software recommendations in the description below, including some you can try for free. Don't forget to check them out if you're looking to streamline your life with AI.